اللہ علی النبی الکریم محمد و آلہ و اصحابہ اجمعین. When Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he was indicating to the asnam and the idols, and they were falling down. So at that time, as in Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the 5 idols of the time of Nuh alayhi salatu wasalam. You can call them old time gods. And did God, and their worship was going on even at that time also. So there was a temple of one of these 5 in the name of Suwa. وَقَالُوا لَا تَذَرُنَّ آلِهَتَكُمْ in Surah Nuh. وَلَا تَذَرُنَّ وُدًّا وَلَا سُوَاهَا. So there the word Suwa, or the name of that idol, is mentioned. In his name there was a worship place or a temple. So now, the priest of that temple, Rashid ibn Hafs, so at that time when these idols were falling down, so he was saying some poetry or some verses. He said, "Ke qalat هلم إلى الحديث فقلت لا قالت هلم إلى الحديث فقلت لا يابا عليك الله والإسلام لو ما شهدت محمدا وقبيله بالفتح حين تكسر الأصنام لرأيت نور الله أضحى ساطعا وَالشِّرْكُ يَغْشَى وَجْهَهُ الْأَظْلَامُ." There, the idol was telling me that, come on, to talk, mean worship me. So I said, no. Allah and Islam both are denying you and rejecting you. If I would not have attended Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam and his army at the time of the conquest of Mecca, when the idols were getting broken, so at that time I saw the light of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was spreaded, and the darknesses were covering the face of shirk. So now Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he asked him, he heard this poetry. So he said, "What's your name?" So he said, "My name is Qazi ibn Zalim." So Qazi mean the lost one. Qazi mean the lost one. Or Qazi mean the hard-headed one, who lost because of hard-headedness. And Ibn Zalim, Zalim means the cruel. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he named me heir. No, from today your name is Rashid ibn Abdullah. So he said, Alhamdulillah. Now, when everything came back to its origin, means the hustle and bustle, it stopped. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam on 25th of Ramadan, he sent Khalid radiallahu ta'ala anhu towards a famous idol of the people of Arabia, namely Uzza. In Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he mentioned this name in Surah Najm, أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ اللَّاتَ وَالْعُزَّى. So Uzza is a famous god of them, and that was in a place known by the name of An-Nakhla. And An-Nakhla, when you are going towards the Taif, so that place is coming in the midway. And that idol was the biggest idol of Quraysh tribe of Quraysh and tribe of Banu Kinana. Otherwise, every tribe had their separate gods, but they had some common gods as well. And another tribe, Banu Sheban, they were actually the ward of their god. They were guarding and warding him. Khalid radiallahu ta'ala, he took with him 30 horsemen. That was a very heavy idol. Yes, like the images in Mazar. Yes, because that's an old culture. Got it? So Khalid radiallahu, and that was, means a mountain which was curved like this. It was shaped like an idol. Khalid radiallahu ta'ala, he broke it and it fell down. When he came back, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him that, did you see anything there? He said, no, I didn't. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him, go back. So he said, something incomplete is still there. So he went there and he brought out his sword and showed his anger that where you are. So he said that suddenly a black naked woman appeared. Her head hair was spreaded here and there, having very dirty yellow teeth. So Khalid radiallahu ta'ala hit her and cutted her. And the priest who was sitting there, he was crying on that. So when Khalid came back, he related the story. Prophet ﷺ said, actually Uzza is this jinnah. Yes, this female jinn, that is Uzza. And that image, it was representing her. Got it? And not only that, close to that, there was a date palm tree. So when these people were going to that temple, so they were worshipping that tree also. So Khalid cut that tree also. Also, Amr ibn al-As radiallahu ta'ala was sent towards that famous idol by the name of Suwab, as we mentioned. And that was the god of a tribe by the name of Huzail. The tribe name was Huzail. On a distance of 3 miles outside Mecca. There was a small village still that is, its name is Rahat. So in Rahat there is a date palm tree garden. This god was erected there. And its wards and god was another tribe, Banu Lahyan. When Amr radiallahu ta'ala arrived there, so the priest or the ward asked him, what you want to do? So Sayyidina Amr ibn al-As says, to break this idol. So he said, but you would be stopped. Stopped by whom? He didn't say that I will stop you. He would be stopped, mean the God. The idol will stop you. So I said, stupid guy, still you are in that superstition? So he broke it. And there was a big treasury. People used to bring gold and silver and giving it to the god to please him. Got it? So Sayyidina Amr ibn al-As radiallahu ta'ala said to his colleagues, just break this small room to find out if there is something. But nothing was there. I think that maybe that ward already heard about that, so he took it away. So the small room or the treasury was empty. And then Sayyidina Amr ibn al-As radiallahu ta'ala looked at him. What do you think now? Yes. So he was that much afraid of that he said, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa sallallahu ta'ala ala khairi khalqi. Ya Allah.